So super quick video to just kind of let others learn from my experience. I was flying today and going to multiple airports, touch and goes mainly, just getting the bird out to spread its wings and fly a little bit, and for me to listen to some music and just kind of enjoy flying. But when I was coming back to my home airport, I noticed a vibration, and flying as much as one would do, you kind of get attuned to the way that your aircraft feels and those little vibrations, and starting to get me worried a little bit. So ran through the normal checklist there. Rough engine, we're in, starting November. We're getting some haze out there. Icing was thought of, so on and so forth. Just the normal thoughts when you start feeling a little bit of a vibration coming through your plane. But once I got it parked, once I got it home, I started looking through again. And one of the things I always check, and checked earlier this morning, was the wheel covers here. And if you notice, that little guy is starting to back out. And I won't do this too vigorously, but this moves. It's got, in the Piper, it's got, bolts back there. But without this one, it will move on you. And I've had this happen to me before. You don't want to over tight it because you'll crack it, but something that you always want to check out, because you don't want to miss it, and you'll either damage your plane or it will pull away from an actual issue in the engine or something in the airframe there. So take your time. When you get back home, make sure to check the plane out before you leave. Of course, do a thorough walk around to make sure everything's good. Like I said, I always check these things before I leave, but I was gone quite a bit today, so I'm guessing with all the landings and flying and vibration and whatnot, it just eventually backed out that bolt there. So it wouldn't have been a major issue, but it caused me some some quickening of the heartbeat there when your plane starts doing a little vibration thing that you're not expecting. So anyway, just my 2 cents there. Try to reduce anything that'll cause you nervousness before you leave. And then if you notice anything, make sure you dig in the plane and see if there's anything like this when you get back home. All right, that's basically it for me. Have a good one. Stay safe out there.